Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Adventures with Humble. Today we are at Cypress Mountain. We're at Cypress Mountain and I've never been here before. Here with my buddy Ben and we're going to go check it out. It's pretty foggy, so I'm honestly pretty intimidated. I've no idea what this place looks like and it's completely fogged over. So hopefully the fog lets up throughout the day, but let's let this adventure get started. Here we go. Okay, so as you guys can see, it is a very foggy day today. So what a great day to start skiing Cypress for the first time. So my first impression, foggy. That's my first impression. It looks like we got quite a bit to go. Yeah.
Top of Lions Express.
And we're gonna go take Collins, which is a nice loop around the whole mountain, get this thing going. Up to the summit of the mountain. These chairs are pretty iced over, which is pretty sick. Remember, my 40 subscribers, I had a little leg injury a couple months ago. It's holding up good. We've done a run in a 16th and it's holding up pretty good. So let's hope that it continues to hold up for the rest of the day. It's still really foggy. We are suffering here in the fog, not able to see where we're going, but we're having a blast and that's all that matters. And it's hard to tell here. It's still a bit foggy, but up the mountain a bit, the fog is starting to clear. So we're having a lot more fun. We're ripping now. We can see what we're doing. We've gone through some trees a little bit. Ben's taken about 30,000 falls. I've taken none. So things are going good. It's probably the other way around.
You just stay on your feet on skis anyways.
Got two things to stand on versus one.
Snowboarding, you're meant to fall out while snowboarding.
Yeah, so it was lots of fun. We've done some runs now. We're gonna go explore some other parts of the mountain. Chairlift and keep going. So I was just gonna keep it. I missed it. Quite a bit. Cool. Not a clue what it's called. Eagle or something?
Eagle Express.
Since we're here with Ben, we thought we might as well hit Benny's. It's a blue on the edge of the mountain. So we're gonna go check that out now. Things from last little bit, but let's just get rolling. Here we go. Outdoor vibe, boys vibe.
The most northern point of Alaska.
I'm in the most northern point of West Vancouver. Holy fog, hey? showing up because Ben brought us to the parking lot. Full blame on Ben. But
I have another confession.
he has another confession to make. But now it's okay because now we're gonna have lunch. So that's a win at least. We get to have some lunch now. Break for lunch. It's been pretty good so far. It's just been a bit foggy today. So hopefully the fog breaks up after lunch and we get some of the beautiful views here on the North Shore. So it's pretty good. I'm having a blast. My legs holding up. Ski gear's working great. So it's a good day. We're now in the Cypress Creek Lodge, heading up to go get some food because we're hungry.
There's the sit down or there's the just like cafeteria.
So this is cool too. I didn't even notice. There's the Olympic rings outside, which is pretty nice. So this is pretty sweet. Check out. All of this was 26 bucks, burger and fries. That's an arm and a leg. But the fries are pretty salty, pretty good. And that bun, okay, this bun on the burger looks insane. Excited to try it out.
Same burger, bacon cheeseburger, and a Coke, which is not refillable, and this was $22. So that means this thing was like 16 bucks. That makes this $6 for a non-refillable Coca-Cola. So I'm a little cheesed, but it's gonna be good. I'm just excited to eat.
When skiing, right?
Yeah.
Time to suit up here again and get back to the mountain and get this skiing adventure on. Right now, after eating lunch, I'm pretty warm. It's gonna take me a bit of motivation to get up here and actually go skiing, but I'm stoked. It's just because it's so foggy out there, so I'm like, there's no views. It's all foggy. So hopefully this fog lifts off and then we get to go and really see the nice views of Cypress Mountain. Lunch here at Cypress. Got my skis back on. His board's technically not on yet, but we're just about to head up the mountain now. The fog's lifting off so you can kind of see what you're doing. So I guess this will be the official Cypress Mountain impression now that I can actually see what Cypress Mountain is like. Yeah, I'm stoked. I'm excited. I'm a little sore, a little tired, but I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be great. Stoked,
Yes,
Ben?
sir. Yes, sir. I'm so stoked.
Sweet. I love it. I can see where I'm going now. You what? I just saw you fall. Oh man.
I went heel edge. Oh, that was sick. You just hit a wave. I just went heel edge, and I hit a mogul, and I like went over it, and
my
like,
boots are
flat on
loose.
my butt, and then smacked my.
I like be so conscious of holding this thing up. It's hilarious. Look at this thing. Oh, I went the wrong way. Yeah. There was a section where my foot just went, my ski went straight into a snowbank.
Oh.
And then I got stuck.
Yeah, I did the same thing actually.
Like, it like went all the way to my boot, but like straight in like this. Down.
Yo, I feel like a true snowboarder now.
Yeah.
Sitting on the run with my.
Sitting just under the lip of the run.
Yeah.
We're both feeling a little bit tired. Ben's just getting booted up. He's getting the boot.
I'll get the movie.
It's still pretty beautiful and snowy, but as you can tell, Cypress, the fog, the clouds are letting us down today. So we're gonna go try out some of the runs and keep going, but we'll keep pushing. Hopefully the fog breaks through. We had literally like 5 minutes of a view of the ocean from here, which is awesome, but now it's gone. So we'll see how that ends up turning out. But let's transition to some more skiing. Whoa! Whoa! I did not see those whoops after.
I did not see that.
I did not see those little whoops after. Okay, we're having a Mandy snack break. It's a Cliff thing. It's cookies and cream. It's so good. It tastes like an Oreo, but...
Oh, yeah, I didn't show you that.
Leslie, here it is again. It's pretty good. A little snack break to carry us through the last few runs. And this fog that just has not let up.
Not at all.
Not at all. Whee! Whoa! Okay, this might be our last run. We're fogged out. We're tired. We'll see you guys at the bottom and tell you about how Cypress was. Well, we just spent some energy and we're done. Done skiing for the day.
Done skiing, man.
So that's it. We'll see you guys at the car. Noggin. My feet are frozen. Getting in the truck, letting out all the warm air. But that was awesome. So worth it. Okay, so that's it. We've officially made it down from Cypress Mountain. Well, we're still on the road.
All the way down.
We're on our way back to Burnaby. And yeah, the mountain was actually pretty good. I really enjoyed getting to see a different mountain, ski somewhere different than where I'm used to. Yeah, what else did you like about it, Ben?
Well, this is my second time here. Man, it was nice. I got to do some blacks that I haven't normally got to do. Getting to see what it's like there. And most of the hill I found is like, at least 50% is labeled black.
Yeah, I noticed that.
compared to my home hill, which is Silver Star, I don't say it beats it. I think Silver Star has a lot more lenience on what they consider a blue versus a black. So a lot of the blacks here, I would equivalent to a Silver Star blue. Some parts, and so I had fun. It was hard to see in the fog, but it was definitely like a good day. It wasn't too crazy. It wasn't too busy. So.
The fog for me was probably the worst part. Like, it was actually kind of brutal. There was points where like I literally couldn't see 20 feet in front of me, and I was like trying to stay as close to Ben or close to someone as possible so I could see where I'm going, because I have no idea where I am skiing. And yeah, so not that this is like a review video, but I would say it's worth it. It's definitely worth showing up. Food's a little expensive, but you're not really there to eat the food, you're there to ski, so that's fine. Overall, it's a good mountain. I'd say it's worth it. On a clear, nice, sunny day, I definitely recommend it. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this episode of Adventures with Humble. Thanks for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video of whatever